friends, welcome to Elevated Life. This is Leavenworth. Today we are at this amazing post hotel. It is an adult only resort here in Leavenworth, and it's a top resort in Leavenworth. We booked the rooms with the mountain views, and the views are breathtaking. You should take a look. Wow. They have a king-size bed. And I love the breathtaking views of the mountains. They have this amazing French door that is opening to the mountains. Look at this view. We are in the top floor, and the view of the river is amazing from here. It's such a boasting view of the river and the mountains surrounding them. I just feel like looking at these views forever. It's the restroom, and then the chandelier. This resort is popularly known for relaxation. People come here for the amazing pool, sauna, and spa that they have here. In case you're looking for the rates, it's $650 per night without the taxes. This is a king-sized bed, and they have a TV, and this fire pit is also amazing. Let me turn on the fire pit for you. I just turned the fire pit on for you guys. Wow. show you guys around. And that's the pool right there. And we live there. What's this food called?
Herb roasted chicken.
Herb. You think it's the best food you had?
In Leavenworth.
Oh, I see.
Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching the tour of this amazing Post hotel. I really feel like the hotel is too much of wellness and I don't want to leave this hotel at all. But we are leaving today, so see you soon in another video. Let me know in the comments below what type of videos you'd like to see. See you, take care.